Okay, hear me out. What if you use glass paint on the backside of glass to alter the glass appearance rather than adding details? Today, we're finding out, and you tell me whether it's a yay or nay for three paint possibilities on the duck stamp project. For test one, I went with the gray opaque glass for the background to simulate overcast and rainy weather, which is ideal for duck hunting. Birds don't want to fly in bad weather. They just want to hunker down, which is when you're out hunting. Rather than having paint on the front of the glass, does adding rain streaks to the back give the rainy appearance when looking at it from the front? What do you think? Imagine this on all of the background pieces of the duck stamp project. Is this a yay or a nay? I personally kind of like it, but I don't know if it would be too much if it was all over the place. For test 2, I chose this brown glass for the duck feathers because of the texture, but the downside to this glass is it becomes very bright when lit from behind. Can you add paint to the backside of this textured glass to highlight the texture while also dimming the brightness? I applied a healthy coat of black paint to the backside, then gently swiped the top of the glass with a wet rag. This removed the paint from the top of the texture, but leaving behind paint in all of the grooves. And I low-key love how this turns out. It's wild to me how differently this glass looks with black paint left in the grooves. It's just random in all the best ways possible. But does it resemble feathers, or did I just make it a really cool new style of pattern? Again, you let me know if this is a yay or nay. For test 3, we're going to be trying to add water details with white paint on the blue water glass. This will be going on the front of the glass, but I'm on the fence about this one. The paint looks white and looks great on just the glass, but once there's light added behind the glass, the white paint just looks black. So you lose the entire point of it, and now you're just stuck with black lines. And it doesn't look the same. But what do you think? Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit the follow button as we're going to be painting and foiling the duck stamp project in the coming days. We got a lot of ground to cover, people, and I'm thankful you're here for it with me.